First of all, let me address something. Black people ski, okay? We ski. We're out here on the slopes. So there's no room for that. That's that white people, blah, 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 rah, rah, rah. None of that, okay? Cool.
All right, so we're on the lift. I have my hair in cornrows because that protects me in the helmet. Sometimes helmets can snag at you. So something that I wear under my helmet. Some people wear hats. I have a silk lined hat. This brand is called Grace Elay. This is what I wear every time I go skiing. This protects my hair, makes sure that it stays moisturized, it stays safe. Grab my helmet. It's a large because I have a big head. We're just gonna loosen it, slap that bad boy on, and once you're clipped in, your hair is safe and you are ready to go. Period.